Imagine immersing your name into a solution of salt water, a simple yet profound action that holds the potential to transform your life in ways you've only dreamed of. Today, I'm going to reveal a discovery so powerful and ancient, you'll want to take immediate action before this content disappears. Visualize for a moment a time-honored ritual capable of altering your reality. This ritual is not only highly effective, but also incredibly easy to perform. It can elevate your energy levels, clear away limiting beliefs, and dissolve the obstacles that have been keeping you from the prosperity you deserve. What I'm about to share with you is a secret that has been closely guarded for centuries, a method used by those who sought to attract miracles and bring about profound changes in their lives. But before I unveil this incredible discovery, I have a small request. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with anyone you know who is seeking to transform their life. Together, we can help more people unlock the potential within them. Now let's delve into the secret. All you need for this ritual is your name and a small amount of salt water. When combined, these two elements create an energy that can cleanse and realign you on a deep, spiritual level. By dedicating yourself to this practice and deciding to release all limiting beliefs, you can attune yourself to the higher frequencies of gratitude, faith, and limitless possibilities. I ask only one thing of you: commit fully to this process. If you do, I promise that this ritual has the power to change your life in ways you can't yet imagine. So are you ready to push past your boundaries and manifest the life you've always wanted? If so, let's begin this transformative journey. Gratitude is a powerful force that can dramatically shift our perspective. When we develop a habit of being genuinely grateful, we essentially reprogram our minds, raising our energy to levels that resonate with abundance. It's no secret that when we're trapped in cycles of negativity and lack, it becomes nearly impossible to attract positive experiences. Gratitude, on the other hand, acts like a key, unlocking the door to a life where we view our circumstances through the lens of blessings rather than burdens. Let's start with a simple yet potent exercise in gratitude. Take your phone and set a timer for 1 minute. During this minute, I want you to consciously notice all the good things around you. As you observe each one, take a moment to express your gratitude. Allow the feeling of thankfulness to wash over you, letting it fill your entire being. Once the minute is up, take a deep breath, soaking in this elevated energy. You're now in a prime state to begin manifesting your desires. Next, grab a pen and paper or open a document on your device. Write down your intention, vividly visualizing what you wish to manifest. As you write, phrase your intention in the present tense, as though it is already a reality. Engage with this process emotionally. Feel the joy, the excitement, the peace that comes with having your desire fulfilled. Before we proceed further, let me ask you something. Have you ever seriously considered the power of manifesting your dreams? I have developed several effective techniques that can help you bring your desires into reality. If you're interested, I've placed a link in the description below where you can learn more. Now, let's return to your intention. Focus on it, but don't get bogged down by the details of how it will come to pass. Trust the process and know that the universe is working in your favor. This trust is crucial because it allows you to release any need to control the outcome, thereby creating a space for your intention to manifest in the best possible way. We've now arrived at the most crucial part of this ritual, the saltwater bath. To perform this, you'll need a bowl of water and some salt. As you mix the salt into the water, take a moment to reflect on the spiritual significance of salt, its long-standing association with purification, protection, and the dispelling of negativity. Hold the paper with your written intention in your hands. Read your intention out loud, fully engaging with the words and the energy behind them. Then, gently immerse the paper in the salt water, visualizing any and all resistance to your desire being dissolved by this powerful solution. As the paper soaks, imagine all your doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs melting away, leaving only a clear path toward your goal. Once you've completed this process, it's important to let go of any expectations about how or when your intention will manifest. Trust that the universe has heard your request and is already working to bring it to fruition. Continue to visualize yourself living the life you've just manifested, maintaining the elevated vibration you've cultivated throughout this ritual. As we come to the end of this practice, I want to take a moment to send positive energy to everyone who is on this journey of transformation. If you found this video helpful and want to receive more content that inspires and empowers you, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Together, we can spread light and wisdom across the world, transforming lives in the process. Thank you for watching and for being part of this community of seekers. Your journey toward a more abundant, fulfilling life has just begun. The simple act of using your name and salt water in this ritual is a powerful step toward aligning yourself with the universe's abundant energies. Remember, the universe is always listening, and your intentions, when combined with actions, have the power to manifest incredible realities. So, what exactly makes this ritual so powerful? Let's dive deeper into the mechanics behind it. Salt has been revered across cultures for centuries for its ability to cleanse, purify, and protect. Whether used in sacred rituals, as a preservative, or for healing, salt has always been seen as a substance with powerful, almost magical properties. When you combine salt with water, you're creating a potent solution that is both grounding and purifying. Water, on the other hand, is symbolic of emotion, intuition, and the subconscious mind. By combining these elements, you create a medium through which you can connect with the deeper, more intuitive aspects of yourself, clearing away any energetic blockages that may be holding you back. In this ritual, your name serves as a powerful symbol of your identity and your connection to the universe. By immersing your name in the salt water, you are symbolically cleansing and purifying your essence, aligning it with the positive, high vibrational energies you wish to attract. But it's not just about the physical components of the ritual. The real power lies in your intention and the energy you bring to the process. When you perform this ritual with sincerity and focus, you're not just making a wish, you're setting a clear intention and sending out a powerful signal to the universe that you're ready to receive what you desire. And it doesn't stop there. The act of writing down your intention in the present tense, as if it's already happened, is a powerful manifestation technique that helps to align your subconscious mind with your goals. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. So when you write down your intention as if it's already a reality, you're programming your mind to believe that it is. This in turn helps to attract the people, opportunities, and circumstances that will bring your intention to fruition. After performing this ritual, it's crucial to maintain the elevated state of gratitude and trust that you've cultivated. This is because the energy you put out into the universe is what you'll attract back. If you stay in a state of worry or doubt, you're sending out a signal that you don't truly believe your intention will manifest, which can create resistance and delay the process. On the other hand, if you remain in a state of gratitude and trust, you're aligning yourself with the high vibrational energies of abundance and possibility. This doesn't mean that you won't face challenges along the way, but it does mean that you'll be better equipped to handle them, and that the universe will be more likely to present you with solutions and opportunities that you might not have otherwise seen. One of the most important aspects of this ritual is the idea of letting go. Once you've set your intention and performed the ritual, it's important to release any attachment to the outcome. This doesn't mean that you stop caring about your goal or that you stop taking action toward it. Rather, it means that you trust the process and allow the universe to work its magic in its own time and in its own way. Letting go can be one of the most challenging parts of the manifestation process, especially if you're used to being in control. But it's also one of the most important. When you let go of your attachment to the outcome, you're essentially telling the universe that you trust it to bring you what you need when you need it. This trust opens up space for miracles to happen, things that you might not have even imagined or planned for. In many ways, this ritual is a way of stepping into a partnership with the universe. It's about saying, I'm ready and willing to do my part, and I trust that you will do yours. And when you approach it with this mindset, you'll find that the universe is more than willing to meet you halfway. As you continue on your journey of transformation, remember that this ritual is just one tool in your manifestation toolkit. It's a powerful one, to be sure, but it works best when combined with other practices that help to raise your vibration and align you with the energy of abundance. These practices might include meditation, affirmations, visualization, or simply taking inspired action toward your goals. The key is to stay consistent and committed. Manifestation is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process that requires ongoing focus, intention, and energy. But the more you practice, the more you'll find that your ability to manifest your desires becomes easier and more natural. And don't forget to celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Each step forward, each small manifestation, is a sign that you're on the right track and that your efforts are paying off. By celebrating these victories, you reinforce the positive energy and momentum, making it even easier to attract more of what you want. Before we conclude, I want to express my deepest gratitude for your presence here today. By engaging with this content and committing to your own growth and transformation, you are taking a powerful step toward creating the life of your dreams. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality. The universe is always listening, always responding to the energy you put out. So take this ritual, use it wisely, and watch as your life begins to transform in ways you never thought possible. Thank you for being part of this journey. If this video resonated with you, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and sharing it with those who might benefit from this knowledge. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positivity and transformation that spreads far beyond what we can see. May your path be filled with light, abundance, and endless possibilities. Until next time, keep shining, and remember, the universe is always conspiring in your favor.